Welcome to part whatever the hell of installing fog lights on a 3rd generation 4Runner. We have that bolt, we have that fastener out, and this one, since this guy was so corroded, but there was enough material on top for the ratchet to grab hold, but something had to give. And what give is the lower plastic bumper. Since these things are just clipped onto the bumper, I started twisting and tearing the plastic. So I stopped and I'm just giving my mind a break. So I moved on to number 3, this guy up here. All it took was a bunch of extensions and the little rattler, and that thing came out. Got a current problem though, now it's stuck on the end of the socket. But I'd rather have that problem than a worse one. So we'll get that out, get that bolt cleaned up, that nut cleaned up, and then we'll go back to the one that's twisting off the bumper and see what we can do.